How to check cats for worms. Whether they live exclusively indoors or spend time outside, pet cats may become host to internal parasites such as roundworms, tapeworms, and hookworms. 1. Kittens often pick up worms from the mother in her milk, while adult cats pick up worms by accidentally eating worm eggs or eating vermin infested with worms. Because it is relatively easy for a cat to acquire worms, it is a good idea to know the warning signs so you can seek veterinary treatment for the problem early on. 2. Untreated, worms can cause symptoms such as a dull coat or a potbelly, but it is rare they make a cat seriously unwell. Getting rid of worms is relatively easy with the correct worming medication. 3. And with a little knowledge, it's also easy to determine if your cat might have worms. Checking for symptoms. Look for changes to the cat's coat. A cat's fur is usually lustrous, but if your cat has worms, its coat might become dull or flat-looking. This can occur because of dehydration or poor absorption of nutrients resulting from the parasite infection. 5. Check your cat's gums. A healthy cat has pink gums, much like our own. If your cat's gums are pale or white, this could be a sign that it is anemic. A common explanation for this can be a parasite infection. To check your cat's gums, sit him or her in your lap or next to you. Gently grasp the cat's head in your hands, under the jaw and behind the ears. Use your fingertips to lift the flap of the cat's upper lip so that the gums above the teeth are exposed. 7. If the gums are pale, you should contact your vet as soon as possible. Examine your cat's feces. If your cat uses a litter box, it is easy to keep an eye on its feces. Watch for the following symptoms. Dark, tarry stools may indicate blood loss from where hookworms attached themselves to the wall of the intestine. 8. Diarrhea can occur because worms also take up space within the gut and interfere with digestion. 9. If your cat has diarrhea for more than 24 hours, or if you see fresh blood or dark tarry stools, seek veterinary help. Watch for vomiting. Vomiting is common among cats. If it occurs frequently, however, your cat should see the vet, as this may be a sign of worms or some other health problem. Worms can cause vomiting either by blocking the outflow to the stomach or by irritating the stomach lining. 11. Pay attention to how much your cat eats. A high worm burden is usually associated with a loss of appetite. This is due to a number of factors such as inflammation of the bowel lining, stomach ache, and the physical space the worms take up within the bowel. 13. Look for changes in the shape of your cat's body. Cats with a lot of worms may develop a potbelly, causing the abdominal area to look swollen. Like vomiting, this is a general symptom and can happen for a variety of reasons, but this sign is sufficient to warrant a trip to the vet, whatever the underlying cause. 15. Notice signs of lethargy. If the worms are stealing nutrition direct from the bowel, the cat or kitten will feel lethargic, appear listless, and lack energy. Again, this can be a symptom of many different ailments, and is one that warrants a vet checkup. 17. You know your cat's normal energy level best, so keep your eye out for any sudden reduction in energy or playfulness.